CBSE Mathematics Class 12, Exercise 13.4, question number 7, which states like this: the coin is tossed, a coin is dashed so that head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. If the coin is tossed twice, find the probability distribution of number of tails. अब देखिए यहाँ पर let the probability of getting tail in the bashed coin be x. tail का कितना है probability और x है, वो bashed coin है. bashed coin माने which is not a fair coin. So the probability of tail is x. This implies that the probability of a head will be thrice x. Now for a bashed coin, the probability of tail plus probability of head should be equal to 1. So x plus 3x is equal to 1. That is 4x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 4. So probability of t means tail will be equal to 1 by 4 and probability of head will be equal to 3 by 4. When a coin is tossed twice, the sample space is given as head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Let x be the random variable representing the number of tails. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Probability x equal to 0 means the probability of no tail, that is be probability of head, head, probability of head, that is into probability of head, it will be equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 and it will be equal to 9 by 16. And probability of x is equal to 1. This indicates that the probability of one tail, so the probability of head, tail plus probability of tail, head. So probability of head into probability of tail plus probability of tail into probability of head, that will be equal to, now probability of head, as you already given that 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 write down here, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4, ultimately it will be equal to 3 by 16 plus 3 by 16. So it will be 6 by 16 and it is equal to 3 by 8. Now proceed further. Probability of x is equal to 2. It means that the probability of 2 tails, that indicate that the probability of t and probability of tail into probability of tail, that will be equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 and it will be equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, the required probability distribution is as follows: x 0, 1, 2 and probability of x corresponding value will be equal to 9 by 16, 3 by 8 and 1 by 16. Now come to the question number 8. A random variable x has the following probability distribution: x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the probability of x and 0, value of x is equal to 0 at that time, probability will be also 0. It is given probability of 1, that is k, probability of 2, that is 2k, probability of 3 is equal to 2k, probability of 4 is equal to 3k, probability of 5 will be equal to k square, probability of 6 2k square, probability of 7, that is 7k square plus k. Now determine the first, that is the k, value of k. First part of it is determine the value of k. Second is probability when x is less than 3, probability of x is greater than 6, and fourth is when probability where 0 is less than x and x is less than 3. We have to find the value of k here. So it is known that the sum of the probabilities of the probability distribution is 1. So what you do, that you just add it, 0k, 2k, 3k, 3k, k square, 2k square, and 7k square plus k. Here I have written on the left hand side, and it will be equal to 1. Just summarize it, you will get 8k plus k plus 10k square minus 1. Ultimately, we will get a quadratic equation in the form of 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0, 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1, and 10k I have taken common, so k plus 1 minus k plus 1. Take out the k plus 1 common, so k plus 1 is equal to 0 and 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. Here k is equal to minus 1 and k is equal to 1 by 10. Now we see the k is equal to minus 1 is not possible, as the probability of an event is never negative. Therefore, the acceptable answer will be k is equal to 1 by 10, and this will be the answer. Now the probability of x is less than 3. This shows that the probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. So the write down here it will be the 0 k. From the table I have written x is equal to 1, at that time k, x is equal to 2k. So summation of this, that will be 3k. So 3 into 1 by 10. The value of k is 1 by 10. So it will be equal to 3 by 10. Now the third part of it, that is probability of x greater than 6. This indicates that the probability of x is equal to 7, and it will be equal to 7k square plus k. 7k square plus k. So 7 in place of k I have written 1 by 10 power 2 plus 1 by 10. Solve kiya isko, 7 by 100 plus 1 by 100, 1 by 10, it will be equal to 7 plus 10 whole divided by 100, 17 by 100, and this will be the required answer. Probability of 0 is less than x and x is less than 3. Here x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. Means the number should be in between 0 and 3, means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So for that x is equal to 1, that is k, x is equal to 2, that is 2k. Summation of it will be equal to 3k. Write down the value of k, that is 3 into 1 by 10, that will be equal to 3 by 10. That's all.